Called Guardian Roofing because we noticed that we're starting to build up a little bit of moss and dryer lint, of all things, on the roof. And we got your flyer in the mail and thought, okay, well, that's probably the sign that we needed. Get somebody out. So a gentleman came out, climbed up on the roof, took a large number of photos, which I was really impressed with, and not only flagged like, hey, here's what's going on, but we've also identified that we have a vent on the roof that's cracked and could potentially lead to some damage on down the road. Also got a couple of nails that are exposed. Same situation, could lead to some damage on down the road. Went through and got up there, sprayed down everything, got everything cleaned off. And then what really put it over the top is we've got some very sweet neighbors who are a little concerned over, hey, whenever you clean a roof that has 10 years of buildup off of it, it has to go somewhere. And it's just honestly spotless by the time we finished. He walked me through everything that we had done up on the roof. It looked fantastic. I can peer out my window right now and kind of see his handiwork. And overall, just was could not be more thrilled. Recommend you all to friends and family, and already have.